B12, B9, C vitamin, vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin F. So there are various vitamins that are seen in the different ingredients. So all these vitamins are necessary for our body because all the vitamins have different functions, different activities. Okay. Then some vitamins are soluble whereas some vitamins are insoluble. Now the vitamins which are soluble in water, those are called as water soluble vitamins, and the vitamins which are not soluble in the water, they are called insoluble vitamins. So which vitamins are soluble in water? Vitamin B and vitamin C are soluble in water. So lemon juice जब हम लोग बनाते हैं, that time vitamin C gets dissolved very easily in the water. That is called as water soluble vitamin. Then the second example of the water insoluble vitamin is fatty substances. These fatty substances do not get soluble in the water, so they are called as insoluble vitamins. So which are the vitamins that are not soluble in water? Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, these are all fat soluble vitamins. Now these vitamins are important in our day to day life. Now vitamin A, what does the vitamin A do? Helps in our body. It protect the eyes, it keep the skin and bones and teeth healthy. So that is why vitamin A is important. And what are the sources of vitamin A? Carrot, milk, butter, dark green vegetables, sweet potato, fruits, vegetables, all these consist of vitamin A. But if there is deficiency of vitamin A, which disease can be caused? Night blindness. नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस ये एक टाइप ऑफ डिजीज है जो डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन ए से होती है. ओके. इसमें क्या होता है? इन एबिलिटी टू सी द डिम लाइट, यानी रात के अंधेरे में यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट्स प्रॉपरली. एंड जेरोडर्मा means the skin becomes dry. So these are the two diseases that are caused with the help of vitamin A. Then vitamin B, which is helpful for the growth, formation of red blood cells and functions of the nerves and the hearts properly. For that purpose, vitamin B is required, and vitamin B helps to get the energy from the food. So what are the sources of vitamin such as milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts, pulses, vegetables, papaya, these are all the examples or sources of the vitamin B. Now beriberi is the disease which is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B1. If you are not having milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts and pulses in your diet, you may suffer from the disease known as beriberi. तो beriberi का मतलब क्या है? Nerve disorder. So what is the meaning of the beriberi? Nerve disorder. So nerves में जो disorder होता है, that causes beriberi disease. Your muscles become weak and your muscles are insufficient to do any work in this type of disease. Then B9, vitamin B9 में जो होता है, in this, if the B9 vitamin is not there in your body, the growth will not be proper in your body, as well as not remember the things properly. Okay, आप लोगों को चीज़ें याद है. So that may be due to the deficiency of vitamin B9. Okay. Then anemia also is one of the disease that can be caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B9 and B12. Then we have vitamin C. Vitamin C is important for the formation and essential for the gums of the teeth and bones. Okay. So now in this, what is important? विटामिन सी कौन से सोर्सेज होते हैं? आंवला, कीवी, ऑरेंज, सिट्रिक फूड्स, कैबेज, टमाटो, ग्रीन लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. इन सब वेजिटेबल्स में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? vitamin C. And if the deficiency of vitamin C is there, which type of disease can be caused? Scurvy. Now scurvy is the disease means which is related to the gums. आपके gums से अगर खून निकलता है, that time the disease known as scurvy can occur. Healing of the wound is not proper. Thyroid malfunctioning can happen if the vitamin C is not there in your body. Then vitamin D. Vitamin D is necessary for the calcium and phosphorus and to make the bones healthy. इसके लिए vitamin D ज़रूरी है. And vitamin D you get from the sunlight, milk products, fish, eggs and butter. And if you are having deficiency of vitamin D, which disease can be caused? Rickets is the disease which can be caused with the deficiency of vitamin D. Then we have vitamin E. Vitamin E is useful for maintaining the efficiency of the muscle cells. जो मसल्स के सेल्स होते हैं उसको स्ट्रांग बनाने के लिए विटामिन ई इज वेरी मच necessary. So from where do you get? You get the all these things from leafy vegetables, vegetable oil, green wheat, gram, etc. And what is the deficiency if the vitamin E is not there in your body? Your muscles will become weak. Then skin disorder हो गए, skin के problem हो गए आपको, obstruction in reproduction. So there may be a problem for reproduction also. Then vitamin K. Now vitamin K is helpful for clotting of the body. आपको कभी भी कुछ भी लग जाता है ग्राउंड पे खेलते वक्त, तो that time some blood comes out of the body and immediately after some time it stops. It stops because of vitamin K which helps the blood clotting. वो खून को बाहर आने से रोकता है. That is the work of vitamin K which is very much essential. Okay, and this vitamin K is found in leafy vegetables, cabbage, broccoli, sprouted pulses, yellow eggs, and excessive bleeding after injuries may be one of the deficiency. तो कभी कभी आपके बॉडी में अगर विटामिन के की डेफिशिएंसी होगी तो आपको अगर कोई चोट आई ग्राउंड के ऊपर खेलते वक्त तो योर ब्लड विल नॉट स्टॉप because the clotting process is not taking place in your body due to the deficiency of vitamin K. That is why the blood will not stop and excessive blood will come out due to the injury of this type of vitamin. Okay, so I hope you have understood about this lesson, the deficiency of the disease. So scurvy. Scurvy is the vitamin C deficiency. Okay, vitamin C के deficiency से जो disease cause होती है that is known as scurvy, bleeding from gums. Okay, so this is the first picture that is scurvy, that is caused due to the deficiency of disease vitamin C. Then rickets, you can see that the bones are not properly developed, softening of the bones, and fractures can cause if the bones are not strong. This is the deficiency of vitamin D. Rickets is the definition of the vitamin D. Then goiter. Goiter is the deficiency of minerals, that is iodine. अगर आयोडीन आपके फूड में प्रॉपरली प्रोपोर्शन नहीं होगा तो यू विल गेट द डिजीज नोन एज goiter. ओके,